Hello, welcome to this amazing video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to set up search preferences in Blogger settings. So the first step here is go to your Blogger dashboard. For that, I'm going to my Blogger page and here we are. And now the second step that we need to do is click onto the settings and then go into search preferences. Okay, settings and then search preferences. Now the third step is go into the description and you type your description. Click on edit, and now we are going to type our description here. Okay, so I've done it randomly and now save changes. And now the next step is leave errors and redirections. Leave the section, no need to go into this. And now the next step is go into crawlers and indexing section. Now leave the custom robots, leave the section, no need to do anything here. And now edit custom robot header tags. Okay, you need to copy me here. Do as I am doing. Okay, copy exactly the same way I am doing. Okay, so click here, 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 and this is almost done. Now the next step is save whole settings exactly the way I did. Almost done. This is almost done, and yes, it is done. Stay connected with us, okay, and keep visiting our website for more tutorial related Blogger, and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching.